everyone. This is Keely with Toyota of Keene, and this is a very snowy 2020 Toyota Camry LE. The 2020 Toyota Camry LE gives some awesome performance specs. With a 203 horsepower, 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, you get an 8-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission with intelligence, and you get up to 39 miles per gallon. Here on the exterior, you get bi-LED combination headlights. With the auto on-off feature, you get 17-inch alloy wheels, you get the color-keyed power outside mirrors, and you get up to over 15 cubic feet of cargo space.
Here on the interior, you get a 7-inch touchscreen with Bluetooth wireless technology. You get Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and Amazon Alexa compatibility. You get an integrated backup camera with your projected path. You get 6 speakers, a USB media port, and 2 USB charge ports. And you get up to over 100 cubic feet of passenger space. The 2020 Toyota Camry LE also gets Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which gives you some great safety tech, like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, and so much more.
So if you're thinking about the 2020 Toyota Camry, the LE might be everything you need. So come on down to Toyota of Keene, 591 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at toyotakeene.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping!